Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you buy smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On the left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, and on the right, the REECOO Steam Mop. Now, if you thought mops were boring, hold on to your dust bunnies because we're about to make cleaning fun. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, which many reviewers appreciate for its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces without leaving streaks. However, the REECOO Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $69. Reviewers love the value it provides for quick cleaning sessions. It's important to weigh how much you want to invest in your cleaning routine. Now, let's get steamy. The Shark heats up in 30 seconds, which is quick, but reviewers are blown away by the REECOO, which heats up in just 15 seconds. This means you can start cleaning right away without waiting around. Reviewers love the fast heating feature of the REECOO, making it a favorite for those needing a quick clean. Moving on to water capacity, the Shark has a 450 milliliters tank, which reviewers find sufficient for a solid cleaning session. However, the REECOO has a smaller 280 milliliters tank, but can run for 20 minutes continuously. This is an advantage for those who want to finish cleaning without constant refills. The Shark might be better for larger areas, but the REECOO is great for quick tasks. Let's talk about cleaning power. Both mops use steam without harsh chemicals, which is a hit with users. Reviewers of the Shark praise its ability to leave no residue behind, while the REECOO is noted for dissolving stubborn stains and oil. If you're dealing with tough messes, the REECOO might be more appealing, while the Shark is great for regular cleaning without residue. Now onto design and usability. The Shark features a soft grip handle and an 18-foot power cord, which users find very convenient. In contrast, the REECOO has a flippable cloth design, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate the maneuverability of both, but the REECOO's design adds a fun twist to cleaning. And what's included? The Shark comes with 2 washable microfiber pads, a filling flask, and a quick-release swivel cord wrap, which users find very handy. The REECOO ups the ante with a 10-in-1 steam cleaner set, 8 plastic hardware pieces, and various functional cleaning cloths. Reviewers love the versatility of the REECOO, making it a multifunctional cleaning tool. In summary, both the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the REECOO Steam Mop have their strengths based on user reviews. The Shark is often praised for its ease of use, effectiveness, and no residue cleaning. However, the REECOO stands out for its fast heating, affordability, and versatility with multiple attachments. Both mops cater to different cleaning needs, making them worthy options. So which mop reigns supreme? If you want a quick heat-up time and a solid cleaning experience, the REECOO Steam Mop might just mop the floor with the competition. But if you're looking for a larger water tank and a comfortable grip, the Shark S3501 is a great choice too. Ultimately, it comes down to your needs. Do you want a speedy cleaning session or a mop that can tackle bigger jobs? Either way, both mops are here to save the day from dirt and grime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.